What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send crypto from Coinbase to Magic Eden Wallet. So you might be wondering how to exactly send crypto from your Coinbase account to Magic Eden Wallet. Well, this one is very simple. Now since we want to send in crypto into our Magic Eden Wallet, we first need to get the address for our Magic Eden Wallet. So in this case, at the top right of the screen, you want to go and click on your extension here. Go ahead and open it up. Now from here, what we need to do is we want to go and just basically click on the receive option here. Now from here, you want to go and choose the cryptocurrency that you want to receive. Like for example, you have Solana here. Let's go and click on it. And from here, you should now see your address. So let's go and click on copy. Now, once you've done that, by the way, just take note of the chain or network that you're using. So you're using Solana here by default. But yeah, let's go and copy the address. And you want to just head over into your Coinbase account. Now, in your Coinbase account, what we need to do is you want to go to the bottom right here, and you have send and receive crypto. Let's go and click on send crypto, and let's go and choose our Coinbase wallet here. And once you click on it, this is what you'll be seeing. So by the way, it might ask you to select the crypto first or what crypto. So in this case, just select Solana, but this is what you'll be seeing here. So just specify the amount that you want to send here, the crypto itself. And if you click on the to section, this is what you'll be seeing. Now, you just need to enter the address that we've copied before and just select it. And once you've done that, what we need to do is just review a few things. Just click on preview send. Now, from here, this is what your transaction is going to be. Just review the address, the network here. So make sure the network actually matches, and also the network fee. But in this case, just click on send now to proceed with the transaction. Just wait for a few seconds or a few minutes here for your transaction to complete. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.